Alright, Saturday afternoon, got called out on the service call. Got an Amana Prestige here. I was here not too long ago. I actually put a capacitor on here. And what's happening is it runs a few minutes and it cuts off. So I don't know if it's a pressure switch issue. I do see low and high pressure switches down in there. So let me see what we got going on. Okay, I think I figured out what we got going on here. That's our amp draw on startup. 152. I'm going to try to bump it with a hard start. If that doesn't work, I'm going to call this one dead. Okay, well, I was getting ready to put a 521 hard start on here because you saw that amp draw on the compressor. But I think I found the culprit here. See that burnt wire right there? That terminal's burnt off the contactor, which is the common that feeds the capacitor. And I didn't catch that at first, but I just caught it. So I'm gonna remake that connection and she should fire. Okay, let's see if she'll fire. That's a lot better. That's a lot better amp draw and startup than 152. And she's running. Okay, well, the old Amana lives to fight another day. I'm in the bushes here. I actually had to crawl over the unit to get back here to the control panel. If he ever changes this thing out with me, we're gonna make him do some trimming. But it was just one of those things where I was getting like a lock rotor amp, but when I went to plug the hard start up, I caught that burnt wire, which was the common wire that powers the capacitor. So just when you're inside of a condensing unit or air handler, whatever you're working on, just take your time and overlook everything really good like I did, because, you know, nothing against rookies getting into the trade, but a lot of rookies would have diagnosed this as a bad compressor because they wouldn't have caught that. So just take your time, look over everything real good, and you'll keep some happier customers that way. But 5-ton Amana from 2003, and she's good to go.